The officer did not have a body cam footage turned on during the incident.
Mayor Craig Greenberg announced Saturday morning that LMPD officer Brian Gillis either did not have the body camera footage turned on or wasn't wearing a body camera during the arrest of pro golfer Scottie Scheffler Friday morning. Greenberg said that at this point he's uncertain.
We will release footage that we have. We do not have any, to my knowledge, we have not yet discovered any video of the initial contact between Mr. Gillis and Officer Gillis and Mr. Scheffler. There is some footage from across the street of a fixed camera when Mr. Scheffler was being arrested, and we will release that footage in the coming days.
And while all eyes are on Valhalla for the PGA Championship, they are also on LMPD for footage of the high-profile incident that made national news.
It is literally required that officers or law enforcement officials from LMPD have their body cameras on, because the only criteria is, one, that you're a sworn officer, and two, that you are engaging in law enforcement activity.
We sat down with practicing attorney at law Carl Price, who walked us through LMPD's body-worn camera policy. The policy says, quote, members will immediately activate their BWC in recording mode prior to engaging in all law enforcement activities or encounters, end quote. There are exceptions to the policy, such as safety concerns for an officer or when the use of a camera would create a danger to public safety.
In my opinion, if you're going to engage in some law enforcement activities, and you have an understanding that that's your role, that's where you're going to do. For instance, yesterday with the traffic situation, then the expectation is that you would turn the camera on. The policy requires that law enforcement officers activate those cameras actually before they get out of their vehicle.
An LMPD spokesperson confirmed with ESPN that the incident is under review internally and that all parties involved are fully cooperating with the investigation. Scheffler was booked at Metro Corrections and charged with second-degree assault, criminal mischief, reckless driving, and disregarding police signals. He was back at Valhalla 45 minutes before his Friday morning tee time. When ESPN asked if Detective Gillis was supposed to have his body camera activated when he encountered Scheffler, an LMPD spokesperson replied, quote, "What we have shared with you is what is available at this time," end quote.